Okay, so yesterday I made this really cool watercolor scribble. And today I feel like scribbling on the scribble. So that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully you'd like to join me. You can scribble on another scribble, or you can just start a new scribble. It doesn't have to be this. It can just be any kind of scribble. I'm going to continue on with some blues and maybe some whites, and I pulled out a purple pen as well. Those were the colors that we're calling. I may add some more as I go, who knows? See what happens. These little kind of flower petals sort of just started coming. But I also like the idea of kind of tracing around the watercolors that came with a pen. So I might try that as well and see what happens there. Watercolors make really interesting different shapes. So when you trace around the shapes, it makes them stand out. So I'm gonna get one of these sort of interesting watercolor splotches and trace around it. Starting to feel a little bored of that, so I'm gonna move on to something else. That's what happens for me. A bit of boredom and moving on. But if you're not bored and you still want to keep continuing tracing the shapes, oh, go ahead, keep doing that. This is an interesting process because I find myself sort of looking for shapes to highlight. And as I look for those shapes, I see different things. That's such a cool little truth about life, I guess. Look at something, the more we can see it in different ways, different lights. Different perspectives. Kind of a cool planetary scene emerged here. To see the making of the watercolor part of this piece, click on this video here.